Hi, in front of me I have LEMFO LEM5 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button. And when this menu appears on the screen, tap on the restart icon right here and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.